I don't say this often, but you are if you keep doing this, guys. There's a lot of people chasing runs, getting bored in their altcoins right now, selling out of them. And this is the big way you're going to lose all of your money. Absolutely everything. You hear all these stories about people making $1 million, but what you don't hear about is all the people that lost 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, guys. In this video, I want to go over the market dynamics and where we are at in this current cycle. And I want to compare it to the last cycle. I also want to look at overall market cap and where that is going and go over a few of the biggest mistakes that people in crypto make by being impatient. You don't want to lose your whole bags. The odds are 99% of y'all are going to lose money, and I don't want that to be any of you guys. We have to be smarter with our bags, know what's going on in this market cycle, and most of all, just be patient, put the phone down, and let the process happen, guys. It's going to be a great video, maybe the most important you've watched all year. Let's get into it. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now, let's get into this video where we are right now. Fear and Greed Index on CoinMarketCap of 81. We could see we should have known a drop was coming. If we look at all these highs, we made it to a 91 before dropping, and this time we made it to an 87. Everyone should have known by looking at this that we were prepared for a dip. When we're looking at the overall crypto market right now, Bitcoin dominance is down to 58%, Ethereum 12.5, and the crypto market cap at about 3.2 trillion. The overall crypto market cap is up about $1 trillion since the United States election, and the Bitcoin dominance went up to 62 and has now dropped to about 58. And so altcoin season is starting right now, I believe. We're seeing a lot of big altcoins run, but a lot of the meme coins, a lot of the mid caps are bleeding out pretty bad. And there's a lot of people trading their bags, trying to chase these pumps, trying to chase these absolute shit coins, man. And I'm going to tell you that the odds are you're going to lose all of your freaking money and you're going to be broke at the end of the cycle if you do this. But let's take a look at how early we're on the cycle before I tell you the mistakes not to make right here in crypto. This is tokenmetrics.com. They have a very good article about this, about the overall crypto market cap, saying in a bear scenario, they see $8 trillion by the end of the bull cycle. And in a good scenario, 10 trillion. So that's just good and normal. But you can see right here, the moon scenario is a 14 trillion. So let's just go under the assumption that we are going to hit the $10 trillion mark. That's going to put us at over a 3x away from here. And all that money is not going to go into BTC. A lot of it is going to flow into artificial intelligence, real world assets, and contribute to the meme coin super cycle, I believe. But I'm telling you, being impatient will make you lose all your money. You're going to be crying like a little baby and so freaking mad. But let me look at Bitcoin, and then I want to tell you the mistakes not to make, guys. So when we look at Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin last cycle. You can see about a year of consolidation, and then we had the first pump of 78%. And what happened after that pump? We had a retracement of 17%. Guys, a lot of people probably thought it was over here. A lot of people probably G'd it out right here, but let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. And if you did this, there was a historic run that took place, guys, and we reached highs of $70,000, $69,000. If we go look over to this cycle, we had this pump from about $25,000 up to the $65,000 range, and this is where we were flagging out. We've been watching this for the last 6-9 months on this channel, and it was about 230 days. And then we had the first pump about 50%. Last cycle, the first pump was about 70%. And right now we are on a retracement of about 8%. Not even that bad relative to everything, guys. 8% right now. And so I do expect these pumps to be a little lower percentage-wise because there's just a lot more money into it. But there's a lot of people that when Jim Cramer was saying Bitcoin's going to the moon, I guarantee you somebody watching this video right now sold one of their good altcoins, one of their good meme coins right here when Bitcoin was around 93,000 and completely top blasted this thing like an idiot, guys. And it really, this is like kind of personal to me. I love helping people on YouTube, and I've made mistakes chasing degen coin, guys. I am not immune to it. I fall for the hype. I get bored. I have money in my wallet and I want to play, but I try to limit that exposure. I know, okay, I've got this much, maybe $1,000, $2,000 that I'm willing to risk and lose it all. But there's a lot of people I see rotating out of their key conviction play saying, hey, it's going to keep going down. I'm going to hop in this thing. It's going to go up, and then I'll be able to buy more of that thing that I sold. And when in reality, you lost all your freaking money being an idiot, being complacent. When we've been here waiting for the last year or two for this bull cycle, and we get right here to the finish line, and you can't freaking wait, guys. Come on. We got to be smarter than that. We absolutely have to be smarter than that. When we look at this Hashcoin Index, guys, look at this. I love meme coins. I love community, but this is absolutely worthless. Let's take a look at this. This is just right here in the last 3 minutes. Since we've been recording this video and watching this video, it's been going on for 6 minutes. I'm looking at a timer right here. There's been 32 coins that have launched, guys. 32 coins that have launched. Most of them don't have any liquidity. Most of them are scammers. Most of them are meme coin farms that are here to take your money. And so if you're chasing these, yeah, there might be somebody that buys in, snipes one, and makes 100x, makes $100,000. But that is few and far between. The majority of you are going to lose your flipping money, guys. And I love you all. I really do. I don't want to see that happen. And so your high conviction plays, whatever that is for you, guys, unless you lose conviction in it, I do not recommend rotating out. Now, if you want to try to sell the top because you see the RSI getting overloaded or anything like that, or it's just life-changing money for you and your family and you want to take profits, that's cool. But selling when there is panic is the worst moves you can make, guys. But as always, known as ever financial advice, I've got slightly a degen. I just don't want you to lose your money, but you can do whatever you want. But when we are looking at this is one of my high conviction plays. Hoppy. What am I going to do? Jeet right now and try to chase another bag? Okay. What's Hoppy going to do? Potentially fall another 20, 30% at the most? Okay. Or it could turn around here and I could make a lot of money. Okay. It's at a $65 million market cap. Oh, what about Turbo? People Jeet and look, it just hit the 786 level. What's the lowest it's going to go? 886, another 10%. You already didn't sell the top. If you would have sold the top, that's different. You could have bought back in down here and then put all that profit into degen things. But what are you going to do? What are you going to do trying to chase these freaking crap coins, guys? Let's just take a look. Since we've been looking at the Turbo and Hoppy chart, there's been another 10 worthless coins launched. And look at it. One of them already rugged. 2 of them already rugged. Oh, imagine that, guys. Looking over on something that's on its first pump right here. Someone who's previously partnered with Freedom Finance and Crypto. Speedy. It had its first pump. It's on a retracement. Lots of meme coins have retraced down to the 886 level, guys. It's almost there. What are we going to do? Sell out of it now when it has a potential of another 20% drop? You're going to sell out of that and chase one of these things that I guarantee you 99% of them are going to have a 100% drop. Literally 100 of them. Look, oh, what if you were degenning 11 minutes ago? Congrats. Overall market cap of Crazy Frog is now $5 flipping dollars, guys. $5. So it's very easy to get greedy. That's what the fear and greed index is. It's very easy to think that altcoin season, you're early to it. You're smarter than absolutely everyone. You're the GOAT trader. You know what you're going to do. But the odds are that staying steady, understanding that the overall crypto market cap most likely has a long ways to go. That Bitcoin right now is on its first little pullback. We're having a cool down on the fear and greed index and a Bitcoin dominance, and that these that have good communities, 20,000 holders, go over to Turbo, 43,000 holders, go over to Speedy, almost 4,500 holders, that these conviction plays that I believe will make me a lot of money. I do not want to get out of any positions for that. Now, guys, y'all can do whatever you want to do, but I'm seeing this time and time again, people getting impatient, people wanting to chase the freaking fun. Yesterday, there were coins coming out called Toes, BJ, Butt, all kind of, come on, guys. Come on, where are we at? This pump fund craze, they took live streaming off pump fund, but people were doing all kinds of crazy things. Go follow me over on X right here, guys. I post a lot of that stuff on X, guys. You can come see some of it. But seriously, guys, what are we doing? And here you can see Pump.Fun has removed its live stream feature. And right after that, Ape Store, which does a lot of base coins, said, hey, you know what? We're doing a live stream. So we really got to clean up this space, I think. We have a lot of, let's just get real, guys. In this world right now, I feel like a lot of people have lost morals, okay? I believe faith has left the country, has left the world a lot, and people just feel like this internet stuff it doesn't hurt anybody. It's just magic internet money and stuff like that. But as someone that was personally hacked, I know how much it really can affect people, how much it can cost people money, how much it can cause people stress, anxiety, depression. I know all of that. I know it. And the fact is that these people coming into crypto, these kids, these young people, and these freaking dirtbags don't care about any of you. And we got to find good communities and good people. There's a lot of good people in here, but the bad apples stand out, and there are a lot of bad apples. So I really want to see the crypto space cleaned up. I want to see Web3 cleaned up. And I think blockchain technology will change the world. But I don't want to look at you in 6 months and say you're because of the decisions we made at this very early point in the cycle, guys. We're at the 5-yard line going in for a touchdown. That's what we want. You don't want to fumble the ball and lose it all, guys. Watch this video up above. And if you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance family, what are we doing, guys? I literally love you all. Thank you.